Hello students, I am Satyanarayana Saha. I hope you are well in your place and your preparation is going very well. We discuss about paper 1 English language ICSE board. What will be the mindset before you enter the exam hall? That things we have to discuss. Let's begin. There will be two papers in English. One is English language and another one is English literature. Each of these paper will be 2 hours duration, English language 80 marks and internal assessment 20 marks. So today we discuss about paper 1 English language. What is the aim of the board? To develop and integrate the use of the 4 language skill listening, speaking, reading and writing for the purpose of effective communication. To develop a functional understanding of the grammar, structure and idiom of the language. To develop the capacity to read efficiently and assess information effectively. To develop an appreciation of good literature. To experience through literature the thoughts and feelings of the peoples of the world. There are 5 questions in your question paper. The duration of the paper is 2 hours, but 15 minutes given to read the questions. While you are reading the question, at that time you put emphasis on comprehension at first. That things will help you. So let's start one by one. Question 1, candidates will be required to write composition of about 300 to 350 words from a choice of subjects which will test their ability to organize, describe, narrate, report, explain, persuade or argue, present ideas coherently with accuracy and precision, compare and contrast ideas and arrive at conclusion, present relevant arguments and use correct style and format. The topics will be varied and may be suggested by language or by other stimuli such as pictures. The topics will be so chosen so as to allow the candidates to draw on first-hand experience or to stimulate their imagination. The organization of subject matter, syntax, punctuation, correctness of grammatical construction and spelling will be expected to be appropriate to the mode of treatment required by the subject. यहाँ पर नैरेटिव, डेस्क्रिप्टिव, पिक्चर राइटिंग, स्टोरी राइटिंग, आर्गुमेंटिव टाइप का ऐसे रहेगा. इसमें तुम लोग का जिसमें ज़्यादा दखल है वही ऐसे को चूज करना है. After that, question number 2, candidates will have to write a letter from a choice of 2 subjects requiring either a formal or a friendly mode of treatment. Suggestions regarding the content of the letter may be given. The format of the letter with address, introduction, conclusion, etc. will form part of the assessment. Special attention must be paid to the format of the letter with emphasis on tone and vocabulary appropriate to the context. यहाँ पर लेटर का फॉर्मेट जानना पड़ेगा और फॉर्मल लेटर में ज़्यादा मार्क स्कोरिंग होता है. Question number 3, candidates will be given a specific situation and will be required to write the text for a notice based on given direction. Write an email on the same content as the notice. यहाँ पर एक नोटिस लिखना पड़ेगा और एक ईमेल लिखना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पर फॉर्मेट वाइज नंबर मिलता है. Question number 4, an ancient prose passage of about 500 words will be given. Uncommon items of vocabulary or structure will be avoided. A question will be set to test vocabulary. Candidates will be required to show an understanding of the words phrase in the context in which they have been used. A number of questions requiring short answers will be asked on the passage. These questions will test the candidate's ability to comprehend the explicit content and organization of the passage and to infer information, intention and attitude from it. The last question will consist of a summary that will test the candidate's ability to distinguish main ideas from supporting details and to extend silent points to rewrite them in the form of summary, candidates will be given a clear indication of what they are to summarize and of the length of the summary. ये क्वेश्चन 4 को 2 बार पढ़ना पड़ेगा, इसमें थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंडिंग जरूरत है. Question number 5, there will be a number of short answer questions to test the candidate's knowledge of functional grammar, structure and assess. All the items in this question will be compulsory. They will consist of correct use of prepositions, conjunctions, verbs and structure of sentence. यहाँ पर transformation of sentence, tense, preposition, conjunction ये सब को देखना पड़ेगा. Wish you all the best.